Hello students, this is your English teacher Manpreet Kaur, and in this video lesson we are going to learn about the articles. So we all know that there are three articles, a and the. So there are a total three articles, and these three different articles are used at three different places. Okay, now first of all, let me just tell you that the meaning of a and the is one. Okay, so usually you might have heard while we say, okay, I need a pen. So when we say I need a pen means I need any one pen. Okay, I ate an apple means I ate any one apple. So an apple means one apple, a pen means one pen. Now, first of all, let me just tell you that a and an, these are called as indefinite articles, and the is called as the definite article. Why a and an are called the indefinite articles? Because here we write a or an with any particular anything, okay, that is not particular in sense. For example, a cat, a bird, a child, a doctor means any one cat, any one bird, any one child, any one doctor. An apple, an egg, an ant, an orange. So means any one apple, any one egg, any one ant, any one orange. So these are the indefinite things, and indefinite articles like a and an, according to their sounds, the vowels and the consonant sounds are used. So here we refer to these articles as indefinite. Okay, and the means the is the definite article. Okay, if I say the earth means one particular, there is only one earth. Okay, so the earth, the world, the sky, the air, the weather, so means a particular thing. Now let us see, first of all, a or a sound. So it is used in front of singular countable nouns, a person, animal or thing which are not specific. Okay, that is why which is not specific means indefinite. Now here it is used with only singular countable nouns. So because I told the meaning of a is one, the meaning of an is one, so it is used with the singular countable nouns which are not specific. So we don't use a before uncountable or plural nouns. जब इसका meaning ही one है, so how can we use it with the plural or the uncountables? So similar is for an, we don't use an before uncountable or plural nouns. Then third point under a, if a noun starts with a consonant sound, this is important. So if a noun starts with a consonant sound, a comes before the noun. If the noun starts with vowel sound, then an comes before the noun. Okay, so sound system is very important, and the can be used with any sound. Okay, but we should be referring to a specific thing, whether it is beginning with a consonant sound or a vowel sound, we use the. Now a and an are used according to the sound system. Okay, so let me just beforehand tell you that in English alphabet, that is A to Z or A to Z. So in English alphabet we have 26 letters which produces 44 different sounds, and that is why we should refer to the sound system first of all. Okay, in the upcoming the screen, you will see that I have written the vowels A, E, I, O, U in the form of 10 different sounds in Hindi letters. Okay, so there you have to see if a letter, if any word begins with that particular letter out of those 10 sounds, then you have to use an, and with all other sounds you have to use a. Now here under that you can see there is the description of the articles here. Now you see a and an, so it means any one thing. Okay, इनमें से now you can see in a circle there are many apples there. So now an apple or any different thing you can imagine in place of an apple. So it means anything. Okay, it is not particular, it is not specific, and the is used for the specific thing. Okay, for a specific item. Now out of these all the apples, they have circled one apple here and 3 over here. So it means among the group of these apples, there is like a specific apple I am talking about, or specific group of apple, collection of apples I am talking about. So this is the definite article. And there are some of the nouns with which we do not use any article. Okay, especially the abstract, like love. When we say I play football, we don't say I play a football. And we all are humans. Okay, we don't say we all are the humans, humans and humans. So we just do not mention that something is general or specific or indefinite. Okay, then next, now over here you can check the vowels sounds. So these are a, I, O, U, A, O. So there are 10 different sounds which are produced by these 5 vowels in English. So you have to check with all the words which will be given to you. You have to first of all check the sound. Okay, for example, an elephant. So we say an elephant because it begins with E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant, but its beginning sound is a sound. Okay, an elephant. So it begins with a. So that is why we use an. In similar way, if we have like a word like useful, this is useful tool. So the blank which will be filled is according to the first letter of the word. So which sound it produces, although it is U, it is one of the vowel, A-E-I-O-U, it begins with U, but the sound produced by it is U, Y sound, which is a consonant sound. So we use a useful tool. So I hope that this is going to be useful for you. So students, whenever you have to ask, you are asked to put an article in front of a word, you are first of all going to check what sound it produces. Okay, so don't merely go for the consonants and the vowels, but go for the consonant sounds and the vowel sounds. Okay, thank you students, have a nice day.